been a while since I've driven this thing. It's been a long time, bro. I saw all the comments. I saw all the comments asking about the G80, telling me why don't I make content with this car. I've just been really hyped about the Corvette lately and the R8. But today we're taking it out. I gotta put some miles on the car. It can't just be sitting here. I feel like that's when cars start to break, when you don't drive them and they just sit. I do miss it though. I really haven't driven this car, wow. Anyways, what's up guys? They watched another video. I woke up literally 10 minutes ago. I'm super late. Pulling up to a little Cars and Coffee right now with Anthro. I think Anthro's been there for the past hour and a half. I think he's still waiting, hopefully. If not, we about to go to the Me Solo Dolo. Oh, the camera's about to fall. Look at my neighbors that moved in. Sheesh. Big old 4Gs. They're 4G autos too. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention, today is NSX and GTR day, so get ready to see a bunch of these cars. Got the Fast and Furious Eclipse, R34s. Woohoo, that's beautiful. Damn, bro, I need one of those cars one day. NSX will be cool too, not gonna lie. I actually really like the new NSX. I think the new NSX is sick. Viper out here too? That's rich. Corvette driver. That's the stereotype right there. I should have brought the Vet. All these guys would have been like, you ruined it. But anyways, we made it, guys. Brought the G80 out, parked it over here. They got a bunch of GTRs on this row. Anthro brought his, of course. Damn, makes me kind of miss mine. It feels like so long ago when I had my GTR. Got the TEs, carbon hood. I never got a chance to do the carbon hood, but I had the carbon trunk, but I really wanted the hood. Oh, that plate is sick, the Japan plate. R32. You guys remember when I got to drive one in Japan? We are gonna go back again in January for Tokyo Auto Salon. What should we rent this time? Should we rent another R32? Should we rent an R34? Or I was thinking just renting an R35 and just being comfortable. But I feel like when you're in Japan, you gotta get one of these, you know? Like this screams Japan right here. You see R35s everywhere, you know? I had one before. But that is like, fits Japan. When I was driving it, it just felt like unreal, bro. Driving one of those in Japan is the craziest feeling. E30 M3, super rare, super expensive. Dan brought his R35, which is insane. 2,500 horsepower, I believe, guys. 24, 25, something insane, dude. Huge tire on it. Like, it's huge, bro. No way, look at these. Aren't those expensive? It's crazy because the car's almost full carbon. He just needs like the doors, and I don't know if he can do the side panel, but he already has a trunk. These are carbon, the hood's carbon, the fenders. Oh, this thing is sick. It's crazy because it doesn't even look like 2,500 horsepower. It looks like 1,000, but 25 is crazy. I can't even imagine how that feels. Imagine like even 1,000 probably feels insane. My 700 horsepower feels crazy. It's like 3 times faster than mine. This is the only M3 I've never had, guys. I've had the E36, E46, E92, F80, 2 F80s actually, F80 CS and a G80. But I've never had an E30. That's the one M3 I never got to experience yet. I do want one though. They're just hella expensive, like probably the same price. Actually, what am I talking about? This is way more than my G80. It's the most expensive M3 right now. Especially when you find them in this condition. Bro, it's brand new. And those seats are sick. Yeah, we got Paul Walker. We got Dan Rue. No, today?
Yeah, they say he ain't rich. Relax. Bro, you got 5 cars.
You got an AP. Look at my boy Nathan. Full race car mode. This car is a pain to get in, huh? Yeah. Full race car. Bro, it's fully gutted. I don't know how he drives it. It's pretty sick though. I know a lot of people, last time I showed it, were commenting about it. No way you're gonna wear a helmet. There's no way. But you guys both should be wearing helmets. That'd be hilarious. Is there air conditioning? No. Oh, hell no. Oh, we were here for about 10 minutes and now we are leaving. I'm about to go grab some food with the homies. I think Dan's coming too. I want to see his GTR on the road. To see a 2,500 horsepower GTR just driving on the street is crazy, bro. I don't think I've ever seen it drive on the road. We got to get a ride in it. I've been telling him. I probably crap myself. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if you guys remember, but I drove my homie's GTR once. It's on my channel somewhere. And I literally felt like I was gonna die in it. And it was like 1,500 horsepower. 1,500 compared to that, bro, that's a whole nother 1,000. I can't even imagine how that feels. Like, bro, what's the fastest car I've been in? I think it was like a 1,500 horsepower Huracan. That was like a different type of feeling. The Huracan was like, you can't even breathe, bro. But again, that's 2,500. Another 1,000. Hopefully one day we're all like this, guys. Older guys at the meet still, hanging out with your boys. That's a vibe. I'm gonna be like in my G80 still, while there's people like in Z80s, like 30 years from now. Whatever is out at that time, hover cars. Bro, you got the exhaust out the fender and the parachute, bro. That moves crazy. Race him. Michael said I'll sell my ass for that. Bro, that thing is insane. That's a dream car. Like literally, if I won the lottery, 100% a fully built GTR would be in my car collection. I miss my GTR. Like I'll always be a GTR guy. Like that was my first ever dream car. And when I got it, like it was just unreal. It was a crazy feeling. Then I got the next dream car, which is an R8. And we're gonna get the next dream car, which is a Lambo. But I definitely want to get a GTR again one day. Look, he's right next to the cop too. With the side vent. I want that car. It's so cool. There's no way. There's no way he's driving that on the street. Bro, I wouldn't know how to act, I'm gonna be honest. I'll probably get pulled over in like 10 seconds. It smells like straight ED5 following him. Bro, the turbos are so loud. People just hit the anti-lag on me. It's so funny because Dan is just waving at the cops. Every cop we pass by, he just waves at them. I don't think you guys understand. In California, you cannot drive a modified car, bro. And for him to be driving a car with no exhaust, well, exhaust straight out the side, and a parachute, it is crazy. Oh my God, look at this E46. Bro, whose car is that? That is beautiful, bro. Damn, that's the perfect color too. GTR boys, I'm not gonna lie, making me a little jealous. Making me miss my GTR, bro. What was that noise? Him?
On the right lane, it turned into like a skate park. That shit went
Skate
up
park?
and boom.
Bro, I sound like someone crashed. I thought you guys crashed, bro. I guess he got air. There's no way.
Bro, what?
Out the trunk? Well, you can't even put nothing in here no more.
Hey, what do you mean, bro? I can put eggs in here.
Go grocery shopping?
I can get groceries.
For real.
Bro, I stacked up my groceries in the fridge the other day in here.
Groceries gonna smell like gas.
Bro, I got back seats too.
That's crazy, bro. This thing is insane. Look at all that.
Yeah.
I wonder if that seat's comfortable. What do you guys think? Probably not, huh? She got no padding. Damn, I miss my GTR. All right, guys, we have teleported to New York. I'm at the airport right now. I'm not vlogging how I usually do because I feel like if I pick up this big camera and try to vlog, everyone's gonna be looking at me. And I'm here all by myself. I'm gonna look like a crazy person. But anyways, we have made it to New York. We took a flight from LA to here, about 5 hours. And now I'm just waiting for the next flight from New York to Europe. Once again, guys, your boy's going back to Europe with stage 4 tuning. I'm excited, but I'm also just dreading these flights, dude. 5 hours down, I believe 8 more to go. Long travel day, bro. That's the only reason I'm not that excited. But once we get there, I'm sure it's gonna be cool. A lot of content, a lot of car content. There's a big car show or car meet in Italy. I think it's called Soga or something like that. If anyone's out there, I think we're gonna go to that. And then I think next week, there's a huge supercar rally. It's called Race Box or something like that. It's going from like Romania to Greece, all these crazy countries. So we're gonna be all over Europe once again, guys. I'm just gonna try to make as much content as I can for you guys. Guys, I hate flying, I'm gonna be honest. I hate flying, dude. Maybe if I was flying a plane, I'd feel more comfortable. You guys ever see those memes walking past business class to your economy seat with the Rolex on? Hey, but look, we got economy plus. A little better. Damn, we got a lot of room. We're not at business class yet, but we're getting there. All right, I'll see you guys in Switzerland. Let's go. We have made it back to Switzerland. Look, the trunk doesn't even close, bro. With my big old bag. We made it back to the rain. Yo, I'm back.
Welcome back.
I'm back. the customs here, like when you have to go through and show your passport, bro, Switzerland is crazy, guys. They did not want to let me in. I don't know if it's because I'm probably the only Mexican here. I got tattoos on my hands. They did not want to let me in, bro. But look at it.
Well, got in the plane, Nicholas? Yes, we have a cripple with us.
What's the size of him?
How do you break your leg before a trip, bro? I think he broke his ankle or rolled his ankle. I don't know. Anyways, we are back, guys. We're in Switzerland. Then we're about to drive to Germany right now, back to the headquarters.
It's all black.
But it's huge. I cannot believe we're here again, bro. Like, this is exactly where we were last time at this Tesla charging station. I need some food, bro. I don't even remember the last time I ate. The whole flight I slept. I didn't even eat. All right, first stop, JB Dyno. They have a dyno back there. I actually vlogged it last time, but I never posted the video. But we did put Jerk Collector's GT3 RS on that dyno last time. But that happened right there. It was crazy. I went deaf, and it was shooting insane flames. They got a street bike over here. It's like my dream motorcycle, guys. Obviously, because it's an M, it'll match my cars. Damn, imagine this Tiffany blue or mint green, like the G80. That's literally a dream bike. GT3 RS. Another cool thing that I remembered is every GT3 here has a roll cage. It comes factory like this. And Spencer was telling me it's because in the US, they banned the roll cages, I think. Also the M5 wagon. I love these cars, bro. And of course, the wagons. Everything here in Europe is just wagons. But it looks so good, especially with the ski box. I feel like this car fits the ski box. It should just come factory like that. The Ferrari's back too. I don't know if you guys remember that, but Spencer broke the transmission, but it's fixed now.
This is hearsay.
Let's see if he breaks it again. You probably are gonna break it again.
There's no proof of nothing, and no.
We were drifting the heck out of this last time. There's no way we're back here, Marlon. I feel like I just teleported back to the week we were here. It literally feels like we were just here. Tomorrow, I think we're gonna make that Italy drive once again through Switzerland, all the way to Italy, and we're gonna be driving in this thing again. These poor cars, bro. Putting all the miles on the G80. Also bringing the R8 this time, so this is gonna be sick. I guess he got a new exhaust on it, fully straight piped, and a crazy tune on it. I want to hear it because that might be the tune we're gonna put on my R8, updated version. I gotta hear your car.
Yeah, we gotta hear your car.
Okay. Hey, you remember the damage?
Oh yeah, the paint.
I saw it.
Have you seen it? It's very nice.
You fixed it?
No, can't see anymore.
What'd you do?
Maybe you find it?
No, it looks good.
Yeah, with the...
I remember.
No, completely painted.
Oh, okay, so it's new. Let's see how loud it is. I feel like mine's pretty loud, so we'll see. We'll see which one's louder. But that thing is loud. Oh my God, dude. Damn, that makes me miss my car so much. I don't know if you can hear me. Oh my God, bro. Is mine that loud? Or is it louder? I don't know if mine's louder than that or not. Honestly, I can't hear it. No, that's really loud, bro. Oh, she was quiet. So much quieter? Yeah, my car needs valve.
Why not open them?
Mine does not get quiet no more. Damn, bro, that's a huge difference. Bro, that sounds sick. Bro, that's a huge difference. Damn it, I miss my car, guys. I wish I was able to like bring my car over here somehow. I love the wagon. It's so sick that they have these here. We do not have these in the United States, bro. I don't know why, but never sent them to the United States. I wonder if I can import one somehow, because I actually love it, dude. I would trade in my G80 in a heartbeat. This one got the buckets too, which are sick, but not really sick for the drives. And last time we drove a lot, and this time we're gonna drive even more. I haven't even talked about what we're doing, but we're going to Italy tomorrow, and then I think next week we're going to Romania. I don't even know how far that is. And then I think to Greece and a couple other countries too, but We're gonna do a lot of driving in all of these cars. We're taking the G81, we're taking the R8, we're taking the Ferrari once again, and I think an Aventador is coming with us too. The orange one from last time. GTR, sheesh. Like a matte green paint. Bro, that's fire. Damn, look what pulled up. Another wagon. Which one would you guys take? I feel like those are like the two rivals right there. I don't know, bro. I might take the BMW. Damn, guys, I don't know. I think the Audi might be better. Dude, I love the G80. I love the BMWs, but that looks mean. They're literally identical, bro. Same exact wheel setup. And both wagons. It's so sick. Bro, honestly, this might be harder, though. It just looks more sleek than that, in my opinion. Like smaller. Man, look at the fitment too. Oh, no way, the rear wheels turn 2? That's crazy. Bro, this car is fire. Look how big the brakes are. The brakes are huge. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It makes me want to go back home and get one of these for a daily. And they pulled up in the M4. Sick. Hey, Germany has some sick cars out here. A lot of Audis, a lot of BMWs. But just wait on this week. We're about to see a bunch of supercars. The supercar rally that we're going on next week, supposedly we get some hypercars there. Supposedly, I don't know, but we'll see. Anyways, I hope you guys are excited for this trip. I know I am. I'm a little bit jet lagged today. That's why my mood's been a little bit low. But we just had that crazy long travel day, and the time zones are completely different. Like right now we're supposed to be going to sleep and Josephine's waking up back at home right now. It's so weird, bro. I am like completely messed up right now. I need some sleep. But I'm gonna try to get some rest so tomorrow I can be fully energized and get a banger video out for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed for this content again. I know this is super random, super last minute. I didn't even mention I was coming back to Europe, but Marlon hit me up. He was like, you want to come again? And I was like, you know what? Why not, bro? I have nothing else to do. Might as well come get some content for you guys. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed that video, smash the like button. Comment down below what you're excited for this trip. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see me mess with Marlon more. If you guys want to see me drive one of these cars, let me know. We might drive the R8 if I can convince him. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.